All right. This is not the only comment I got. I got it on my Instagram. I got a lot of comments on my YouTube comment section. Chill, it's here. But let me tell you, the video for how to style oversized is for kids. We legends do the complete how to style oversized clothes, including the bottom and some additional sneaker advice. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna see how to style oversized clothes in a proper way. Remember when you were kids, your parents used to buy you oversized clothes so that you grow into them eventually and just wear those clothes for a longer time? No, that reason is completely false. Your parents were into streetwear, believe it or not, but you stupid ass, you were like, no, I don't want these oversized clothes. I'ma watch some fashion YouTube channels like Alpha M or Teaching Men's Fashion. No, they're great. No offense to them. I watch them myself. I love those guys. So you watch them just like me and they're like, wear t-shirts that fit your biceps, fit your chest. And you're like, yeah, that is what I want. But what do you do eventually? Eventually you get into streetwear and you're wearing your baggy clothes back again. Moral of the story, listen to your parents, kids. Listen to your parents. Before starting the video, shout out to Manav Patel for that amazing video suggestion, and let's get started. Oversized clothes are like the base of streetwear, and if you don't know how to style streetwear yet, I have a complete streetwear playlist right here. You can click on the card right now and watch it later after this video. It's also linked in the description. This playlist is all about streetwear, very basic things that you can learn to the hardcore and advanced level stuff that we'll add it in the future, which is still continuing. This is a part of that streetwear playlist. As I said before, oversized clothes are the base of streetwear. Oversized clothes are comfortable, breathable, depends on the material of course, and they give off a very chill vibe. Plus the popularity of these clothing items are growing day by day. But if you don't pull this off right, it can backfire people, it can backfire. Just like a car going down on a footpath full of homeless people on it. It always backfires. What I'm saying here is it should be done right. It shouldn't be like you got a big thing and you're covering it with a smaller thing for protection. You know what I mean, right? Exactly. Socks. You don't get a smaller pair of socks for your huge, enormous, big feet. Plus, speaking about big things and small things for that matter, subscribe to my channel right now because the subscribers of StreetStyleScape have a huge thing compared to the unsubscribed ones who have a small thing. So if you subscribe to my channel, your small thing becomes a big thing. I don't know how that's related, but it happens somehow. So just subscribe. Just to be clear, I was talking about hearts. You know, your heart, left side, heart. Because हमारे subscribers के बड़े हैं दिल, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं दिल बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े दिल हैं. क्या हो रहा है यार? So first thing to style oversized clothes, it depends on your body type. Now how do you know what kind of a body type you have and what kind of clothes should you wear for your personalized body type? Because not everyone has got a similar body type, everyone has a different body type. So you have to know what kind of a body type you have and dress accordingly. If you don't know how to do that, here's a simple video that I've made on how to style according to your body shape. Go watch that video, I'm waiting here. Watch it. No, seriously, watch the video. I'm waiting right here for the second point. Alright, time's up. The second point is, instead of just going for an XL size if you are a medium, go for clothes that are specifically meant to be baggy. Just like this one I got right here. As you can see, it says a medium, but it is a baggy fit. It was supposed to be this way. So get these types of clothes compared to the XL version. As you can see, it does not give you the desired results. So it's better go for clothes that are meant to be baggy. Let's come to the rules now you should follow with oversized clothes. If you do this right, there is no stopping to your fashion, my boy or girl. Because we've also got some female audience on our channel. So thank you, whoever you are. Thank you so much. The first rule will be if you are an ectomorph body type, this is totally for you. You look the best in baggy clothes. And if you don't know what ectomorph and stuff is, watch that body type wala video, you will get a clear idea on what I'm talking about. And if you're not an ectomorph or you're like other body types, the mesomorph or the endomorph, then you should always use the Kanye West formula. If you don't know what that is, watch this video, the Harsh Beniwal style analysis, the fashion analysis video. You will get a clear idea of what exactly the Kanye West formula is and how you can use it to your advantage. It basically is to show off a mid part of your body so that you don't look short. That is what helps you give your silhouette a middle point, a middle ground. That is what makes you look a bit taller than usual. You can use fanny packs, buckle belts, you can tuck in your shirts or whatever it is, your top, to just show an outline or the middle ground. The next tool for oversized clothes will be get good quality material clothes. Don't get those cheap cotton patle t-shirts. Instead, get some t-shirts that are a little bit more thick, that have some weight to it. That way they look good and hold on their shape. If you can see this t-shirt I'm wearing right now, this t-shirt isn't very heavy, right? This is not even very light, but it sits somewhere in the middle, so this can go sometimes. But on the other hand, this right here, this has a lot of weight to it. This looks the best in my opinion from the three of these. So I just went to H&M and got 3 different types of t-shirts to show you what is the major difference between them when I explain you every single thing in this video. So get some clothes that are thicker, that have some mass, that have some weight to it. The next rule is never wear your baggy top and your bulky chunky sneakers with skin fit jeans, those things that make your legs look like leggings. Please don't do that in general as well, but you should never do this here unless you don't want to look like ugly dumbbells, pun intended. And the last point will be, no matter how good of a fit you pull off, it will never look its best unless you color match it properly. And how do you color match properly? I made a separate video on how to color match streetwear edition, so you know every single thing in this video, how to color match properly. So this is all you need to know what color matching is, basic to a little advanced color matching. Now let's come to the last part where I tell you the ways that you can pull off the baggy clothes. Very first way will be the track pants, chunky sneakers and your baggy t-shirt. Very basic, very simple, color match it properly, use it according to your body type, and there you go, you have an amazing basic streetwear outfit. The second outfit idea is your normal chinos or your regular fit jeans, paired up with your low top sneakers like skateboarding sneakers or SB dunks with an oversized tee. This is another way to go with it. This looks very good. The next look is also a very good looking one. It's the Chelsea boots paired up with ripped slim fit denim, paired up with your basic oversized tees. It always looks great, but also an add-on, you can also use your button down baggy shirts with this one. It looks great as well, but not now as winter is coming. The next look is something that you can pull off right in a few months right now, as winter is already kind of here. It's wearing your baggy t-shirts with high waist trousers and a coat. It's an addition if you can do it. You can also wear a beanie with it. It's an addition, of course. Pair it up with your low top sneakers or your Chelsea boots. Both goes well with it. And the last basic look on our list is pairing your baggy t-shirts with basketball shorts and basketball sneakers. So these are all the basic outfit ideas that I can give you. Try these out and try to mix and match all these other outfits and all these clothing items to make something by your own. So this is how you kind of get into the streetwear genre. Plus, as you know, I talked about streetwear dying and what is the future of streetwear. And the future of streetwear was kind of the personalized fashion. So I'm gonna make a video soon on what personalized fashion is and how you can get your own personalized fashion for yourself. Basically, how to develop your personalized fashion. So wait for that video. Plus, a lot of you guys are asking for BTS or Korean fashion, Korean streetwear video. So that one is coming up as well. There are a lot of things that I'm going through right now. A lot of work pending, a lot of college work pending. So it's gonna take a little bit more time, but I assure you, I'm gonna put it out in these 2 weeks. So stay tuned for those videos, people. And that is all for today's video, people. Thank you so much for watching my today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you liked or disliked my video in the comment section below so that I can improve my future video. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm also on Snapchat for sharing some personal stuff that I post every single day. Sometimes with failing it, so I do it about every single day, you can call it that way. You can add me on Twitter as well. Follow me on Twitter at STRATAGIST. Again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.